Hi friends, I'm Kartik and today I'm going to show you how to make a rolling dice in Appla. So here the image will not just change, it will show the rolling dice also. So I've already done the designing, so I'll show you. So this is my first screen. Here I have written rolling.2021 and there's a button and a good background right here. And then on screen 2 there's a back button and another button right here to roll the dice and a color in the background. Now I'm going to show you the code. So here first I have declared a variable right here x and then on event button 1 click set screen 2. So our button 1 is this is our button 1 set screen 2. Now let's go to string. On event button 2 click set image URL image 1 rolling 1 gif. So here this is a button to roll the dice. So when this button will be clicked, then this dice image should change to a GIF. So now x equals to random number 1 to 6. So there are 6 faces of a dice. So 1 to 6. These are the numbers here. Now let's do the rest of the code. Now I'm going to go to control. And now, no, first functions. Right, function. I'm going to declare a function. I'm going to name it as row. And now I am going to, yes, now I'm going to go to control again. I'm going to take up the if statement block. And now go to maths, equality operator, right here. If x equals to 1. So when x will equal to 1, then what should happen? Then the image should change to 1. So let's do it. Okay, I'm going to select this. I'm going to copy and paste it right here and transfer it right here. Now, image 1, 2. Now I'm going to choose the image. Here I have uploaded all the necessary images already. I'm going to choose this one. Yes. Now I'm going to select this and make 5 more duplicates of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if they are there. Yes, so all of them are there now. Now let's change the numbers. 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, and here 6. Now let's change the images. 2, now 3, 3, 4. Now let's scroll down. Now 5 and 6. Scroll down. Now 5 and then 6. Okay. Now let's scroll up and now I'm going to go to control, set time out. I'm going to place it right here. I don't have to write anything. Now I'm going to go to functions to call my function, otherwise it won't work. Roll. Now I will select this, take a copy of it. Yes. Here it will be button 3 and here button 1. So you can do that if you click on the button, then also the dice rolls, and when you click on this image, then also the dice rolls. Now let's add a sound to make it more interesting. I'm going to go to UI controls here, and now I'm going to scroll down. Okay, play sound. Let's keep it right here. Choose. Now I'm going to search for dice and select this one. Okay, let's select it. Choose. Okay, so now it's there. Now let's run. Start and roll dice. Okay, so you weren't able to see the rolling dice because here it is 1000. We need to increase it. So here Coda.org takes everything in the type of milliseconds. So 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. So let's take it to 1600. 600. Okay, now it's fine. Let's reset and run. Roll dice. Wait a minute, let's play. So you can see the rolling dice now. It's rolling, and now there's the image. Okay, so it is taking a lot of time. So let's decrease it now. Not 600. Let's take it to 60. And now I want that whenever we click on the image or on the button, then the dice should roll. So I'm going to code for the image also. Just duplicate the code and change the ID. Select it, C, and done. Now let's again run it. Click on start, roll dice. Wait a minute. So it's rolling. The dice rolls and then the image comes. Okay, now let's go back. And now we are going to rename our project. Let's name it as rolling dot 2021. Let's give a space right here. Yes, now click on save. Hit saving. Yes. Now you can also share your project by clicking on share. You can copy the link, but if you want to publish it on coder.org, you need to run it. It's not coming right now. You need to run it sometimes, 2 3 times, then only it comes. You can send it to phone. It will be sent through Gmail, and copy the link and send it anywhere. So this was how we make a rolling dice app. Thank you. Hope you liked it. Bye.